Where you from?
I'm from Holland, from the Netherlands.
Oh.
Yeah,
How many people go to
we're with 8 people, with 2 families. I have 2 sons, one of 20 and one of 18, and the other friends have a girl from 14 years old and a son who's 17 years old. Yeah.
How have you ever been here?
Yeah, this is my 4th time in Thailand, but it's the first time we're here in the Isan. It's the first time, but we love it. Yeah, it's very beautiful here.
Why
Yeah.
you choose to go to Bungan?
Because there are many tourists, so we like to go where nowhere else go. So and yeah, we like it. The Thai people are so nice, and we love the food, and it's very good. Yeah, yeah,
Could you please recommend this place to
yeah.
others?
When people see this, please go to the Isan. It's very beautiful, and go to Thailand. Thailand people are very nice. They're helpful, and they're absolutely great. The food is excellent, and it's beautiful here. So absolutely, always go to Thailand.
Would you like to go to other place in Bungan next?
We're going to Khao Sok Park in the south, and we go to Krabi. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
When gone, she have been already at Putok. So
Putok,
when we at
okay.
Putok, and maybe when he go to Chetsi. But I think
Even
now
het dingetje pakken.
Oh, sorry.
Het microfoontje. Zo houden, ja, is goed.
Okay, I can hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we had Putok, and they got very wet and very sweaty. So we had a small lunch, and then we come up here, enjoying the sliding. Especially the kids, they like the sliding. And after this one, maybe we go to Chetsi, and otherwise we go home. And then tomorrow I take them out on the scooters, and then Monday they have to go back to the airport, because then they go to Suratan, to
Phuket.
To
Yeah.
Phuket.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that's for, they are on holiday.
Yeah.
I live here, and I have a small hotel in Sakonakon. So it's the many varang I take here. They love it.
Yeah.
Namtok Tampra, Chetsi, Putok, Pusing, Swai Makmak. Yeah. And you're from here,
Yes.
and you promote for
I
Bangkok.
work here.
You work here, and you promote Bangkok. Very
Yeah.
good,
Yeah.
Yeah.
because Bangkok is beautiful province. I live Sakonakon, but I go with my guests many times. We go here because this is beautiful, and everybody loves the waterfalls,
Yeah.
and because it is natural. I just don't like that they charge so much money today.
No problem. They have to earn some money. Yeah, no problem. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.